So let it cool down. It's a little thick. That's getting thick. It's foamy. So we're just gonna see what happens. So honestly, at this point, I really feel like so the top is like foamy and lotiony, and it's still warm at the bottom, but it seems. I'm afraid I'm being delusional. It's still warm. Okay, mix it up some more. Lotiony. I think I'm gonna add some beeswax. So honestly, it's actually pretty cool temperature wise. So y'all, this has been the ultimate game of trust the process. Um,
Y'all, I was really about to add more oil and beeswax. I did not trust the process at that point. It had been a long time, and I was ready to throw in the towel, to be honest.
heat. In the recipe, she only made 100 grams of this. I made 6 times as much, so of course it's gonna take at least 6 times as long for it to cool down and thicken up and do its thing. But here is our final lotion. Thanks for sticking with me, y'all. Stay tuned. There's one more video. Gonna leave a review.